Hey, Laura, in most of our cases, one of the things that constantly trips up our clients is social media. So what should somebody do if they're under investigation with their social media?
Put the phone down. Put the phone down. There's a lot of things that people do that can make things worse. The best thing you can do is nothing. It won't get worse if you do nothing.
That's true. I tell my clients, stop posting. Don't delete anything, but stop posting.
Yes.
Because nothing's private on social media, and one false comment could doom your case.
Right, and things are constantly taken out of context. You can explain away all you want, but I've learned very valuably through my father, the time you start explaining, you've already lost.
Right. So there are three primary rules that I recommend to our clients. First, pause. Second, preserve all the evidence that exists. And then privatize, right?
Yes.
You need to make sure that nobody has access to your accounts, and that if you have a shared account, you get rid of people you're sharing with.
Yes, exactly. Great advice. These are pretty basic steps, but a lot of people don't think to do it. Usually when people are in trouble, they may get overly aggressive and do things they shouldn't, try to explain away, make a big post about what really are the facts. Don't do any of that. Take an assessment, pause, take an assessment of what you have, screenshot, grab what you can, preserve the evidence. A lot of people do have shared accounts, you're right. And however you want to stop that, it needs to be stopped immediately. Other than that, you need to pause and let the attorneys then take control.
Right. Don't do anything that will hurt your case. And that is talk about the accuser, talk about the events, talk about the witnesses, talk about the command, talk about the investigation. Don't contact anyone. That could even be considered obstruction of justice.
Sure.
If you're in a group chat with work, somebody mentions something, say nothing.
Anywhere. Nothing's safe. Pipe it. You need to stop. There are a lot of Facebook groups out there, other social media too, where there will be rules. You can't screenshot, or else you'll be kicked out. Oh no, that's the only punishment for that. And so don't feel like you can be free in those groups either. Nothing is untouchable, nothing is undiscoverable. It is all discoverable information.
Right. You also need to talk a little bit to your family and friends. They shouldn't be posting anything either about the case.
Right. Your family and friends typically can be your biggest supporters, but at the same time, they can be your biggest Achilles heel. They don't know the whole picture most of the time, and even if they do, they can assert more complication into everything.
Right. And it's critical that when you're under an investigation, you share with your lawyer all of your accounts.
Yeah.
Right? Where are you online? Are you on Insta? Are you on X? Are you on some of these groups? So that we're able to try to see what's out there.
Exactly.
All right. Because nothing's worse than, a couple days before trial, us discovering something that could be damaging. Well, there is something worse. The government discovering something.
Yes, that's true.
So, and there's a couple of other things, right? Social media could be considered a violation of an MPO. If you like a comment on somebody who you have an MPO against,
yes,
that could be considered a violation of that MPO.
Exactly. All of these are assertions. They're not passive, they're active. Liking someone's comment, someone else's comment who has commented on the matter. Nothing. Say absolutely nothing.
Right. At the end of the day, nothing good happens on social media when you're under an investigation.
That's absolutely right.
If you're under an investigation, we advise you strongly to abandon your social media, and you should give us a call. We're the law office of Will M. Helixon. We are your warrior advocates. You defend the nation, we defend you.